Balancing environmental health and safety, often referred to as EHS, with your day-to-day operation is fundamental to your company's success. One cannot be successful without the other. They are mutually supporting of each other. Balanced properly through an effective EHS program can build teamwork, increase safety awareness, improve employee morale, protect your valuable resources, and yes, increase your profit. Ignoring EHS compliance can be an enormous financial strain on your company and can potentially put you out of business. Average OSHA fines and violations can cost an estimated $38,000, and in the past 4 years, minimum fines have tripled. Therefore, there are many reasons why your company must be concerned about safety and environmental compliance. Both ethical and legal aspects make a solid case that environmental health and safety cannot be disregarded or postponed. It is legally assumed by regulatory agencies that you know, understand, and follow the rules. Ignorance or unplanned costs are not an accepted defense if you have an accident or injury. It is the cost of doing business, and it is the law. Additionally, establishing EHS as a value tells your employees and your customers that it is built into your culture. It is not something you do merely to comply with regulations. So how do you actually measure safety? When you calculate the price of just one serious injury, it's shocking. In order to recuperate the cost, a business must make a hefty profit just to recover the lost revenue from the accident. An amputation or disfigurement can multiply this amount by tenfold, which means it could take years to recover. What is the potential for one of these types of injuries at your facility? You should be aware that OSHA is adopting a more aggressive program with increased inspection frequency, higher penalties, and tougher enforcement. As a manager or business owner, you should be aware that OSHA fines and violations historically have been on the rise. The Obama administration alone has seen a 25% increase in annual fines nationwide. Several factors drive this increase, but regardless, there is no disputing that OSHA and other regulatory agencies are focused on 100% safety and environmental compliance. Justifiably, one of the principal motives for the increased regulation is to protect workers. Worker fatalities increased last year, which means even tougher regulations will be imposed. OSHA is all about statistics, and if the data shows more regulations equates to less worker injuries and deaths, it will build on those successes. A major focus of OSHA is an effective injury and illness prevention program. You may ask, what is the evidence that an injury and illness prevention program protects workers and improves the bottom line? Well, numerous studies have examined the effectiveness of injury and illness prevention programs. The research demonstrates that active safety programs are particularly effective in transforming workplace culture, leading to a reduction in injuries, illnesses, and fatalities, lowering workers' compensation and other costs, improving morale and communication, enhancing image and reputation, and improving processes, products, and services. However, managing your safety and environmental program can be an intimidating and sometimes frustrating chore. The success of your program depends on management's belief in and recognition of the importance of an effective safety and environmental program. You cannot manage something effectively if management does not believe in it. But if you don't know the regulations, how can you effectively manage your program? Unfortunately, most managers and supervisors overlook the most serious hazards due to a lack of knowledge. Issues like lockout-tagout, machine guarding, and safe lifting can cost a company hundreds of thousands of dollars if disregarded. Therefore, they must take priority in your safety program. Managing your environmental compliance is just as critical as safety. Hazardous waste management is often overlooked and assigned to an untrained worker. It's an easy target for inspectors. Therefore, it should be inspected and managed only by a trained professional that understands the risk. Even the best EHS programs can become stale and lose focus. Workers and managers become complacent. Training and inspections begin to fall off, and no one can find the required reports if an inspection occurs. And that's a very perilous place for your EHS program to be. It is a dangerous trap. Therefore, in order to succeed, your program needs a balanced approach between management and the employees. As a team, each member has his or her responsibility and role in eliminating accidents or injuries. Management and employees must work together for a common goal: zero accidents and injuries. Once again, managers and supervisors are the key to a successful EHS program. Just like an NFL coach of a football team directs the plays, a manager constantly directs the employees on how to work safely. Managers are the absolute center of the solution. However, in order for managers and supervisors to succeed, they need to have quality training, knowledge, and professional oversight to manage safety and environmental issues properly. Further, we have introduced 3 major safety and environmental guidance programs to assist printers and manufacturing facilities to establish and meet their compliance goals. We offer cost-effective solutions for small to large facilities. Our proven success with these programs has helped eliminate hazards and reduce the risk of regulatory violations with companies across the US and Canada. The first program is the Jumpstart program. This program is primarily for small companies that want training and direction for their safety and environmental program. Our auditors will spend approximately 2 to 3 hours on site with your staff and zero in on the issues that require attention. We will also grade your program based on responses and observations to show your risk rating for accidents and violations. Additionally, your staff will have the opportunity to ask for further assistance and guidance in the areas that need corrective action. The second program is the Comprehensive EHS Audit Solution, which includes a detailed physical audit of all aspects of your EHS program: OSHA safety, air district compliance, and environmental compliance. This usually involves a day on site by our inspectors, which involves a pre-audit and post-audit conference, a full report with violation photos, regulations violated, and recommended corrective action. This is a look under the hood audit to uncover hidden and obvious hazards and help prioritize your strategy to meet compliance. The third program is the Manager Training Series, which is designed for business owners, managers, supervisors, and leads. It is meant to help them understand the unique role and responsibility under the OSHA Act to keep their workers safe. The course teaches how to effectively reduce risk and eliminate accidents. Based on over 30 years of field experience with small businesses to Fortune 500 companies, this program gets to the core of the problem of why most companies have accidents and injuries even after training. It focuses on a proactive approach to managing your safety program. In summary, you often need professional guidance and assistance. The SafetyNet team has the experience and resources to help you and your team succeed. Our programs are an investment with great return. Call us today to schedule one of our professionals to meet with your team.